Kailangan kumain si Rigo magas ko sa burawat, Paul Kaselel, Opi Kaselel. Nan iro ko wano rosa nan sabun matay sabun programa rawat si kaparang kailan sang serto school magas ko sa burawat.
For the non-POTS speakers, and for campers, and for most take out our available water for the bread of life, we thank you stay. Oh yes, thank you for granting us this special day. I would also like to recognize Fiji Center Faculty Staff Paris, and most of all, my fellow graduates to welcome you to the point of graduating. I would take this opportunity to thank our guests and apprentices who have left their schedules behind in order to join us. Today's day of closing because we have successfully completed all requirements of easy education. We will give back to our communities and hope you and God will learn to become responsible and productive members of our societies when we grow older. Rubaiko, isang one comment. Walang pagkasan bakit kayo sa irurulong, araw ko na prabasang J11 sapot. Oriyaw, iwasaksit, babalo magawang mo pagkiya. Arawat kacay-kaching katpalapag kacing kasarawi, ragasang palwat, bakit pinsan kapakop katong kalagala. Awal ko purawat, kakakatumasan ni Dabajoan, bakit pinsan kat sa chonong kasampal, pasambabajoan chuk-chuk, o sa kakachita mikon. At nakchaitan masani, Ben Yesus masani, may kaitong nasari ka way good. Dungyala bukan sompog, bigwat, mabajoan, kachuk kanaw kita pila. Arumenko, Hirana met pelelek. Tajuang kami na mesojojo batten na national batbataw. Pagyatskal pocket, kabacher ranwet, kobil kabakalan ranwet. Ipa mama namang kids galagi parent. Puryamay, daloit, salo, kobil kabakalan so pagkrana tawag sa rache ka na national mau. So ladies and gentlemen, this year has gone by too quickly. I remember the first day of school. Most of us were so scared. Some even cried to our parents to go, but now we ask them along away. Each day says, we are so close together. I have now seen what kind, laughing, caring, considering crazy fishes, church and loyalty. You made us so proud throughout the year. Ang baga to pray it. Okay, siya nga labi ni sa rukabag of catch. Dahil sa kakatap, sabay, hanggang sa minasailakan mo, basta tayo sa lala, sa bakit siya meron, sa kakanbalukera. Na programa ni si. Programa pa siya bukawasak na national banyan, takakaya hilangit pwede sa ruwa. Kukit pa ko ada ro kami na matyan mo, kapil tayo kita ka mga watch. Nami plana balota sa Kids class of 2017 Nagtakyenter Kalangan Labala. Arumay Kuburalak Peminyar Ketuanda Sangkol Mebil Wiang Mau Ukas ang Balbat Program Minisi Koyo Kisirikan Tumalang Gila Marain O Koyo Koryaw Palbarasang Mau Magalagal Kubarabal Sirikan Isang Kapal Ninenlaw Kasilun Kasilun Kalinay Ujung Dadongkan Ninay Sawas Ujung Meti Aiso Koros Kabayo Oskulin Ninjung O Wadawat Kumiyo Ang Benenekan Arat Lidusi Kalmaw Ang visit ng Benenekan na semester Koros Punali Anan Benenay O Kaway ng Benenay Ang school Kauno Student exhibit Ang quarter Koros Kung kasalita Pwedang sarikan Aneway quarter Kaisu Oskulin Jiak Sa cultural exhibit Ang sarikan O Benenay Gumyakawalu Fitruk Kung gisawaso Kasilabang At mataw Ang gisarikan Yat panggil berjuang wasahu katubaw. Kata komponen merasong Tricycling project o Madugalabe. Kaisa, parent teacher conference, Iro Arala Bukach, Magun kami lumiba ng kilay, Magun kami ng kilay, Panay Simadang of Lobbies. Imagarida, Tegating Edi, program mawat o kating kakilata, pati may bambadotong murkan, ayan tayo kalangan na belap. Kasaleya main ko, ay chungayat yay na yakoto. Ora main ko, iba chungang kami lalame, ewa ko po sa pandaiki, favorite, kuya kita masasarawat. Ipit pa chungang kami lalame, ewa ko po sa pandaiki, kamalat, kuya lisa na mau arawat. Ipit pa chungang kami lalame, riyay sarikan, inanan chungayang kapagalaw. Umilan papa lolo, pueku po itarawat. Ica, pacoa pakita, kisa repukach, takas kasapul, pasasocha pacuan masaban ut pacola muran met. Ecacar masaban ut pacola puyum kayo, asa socha pacuan nyamomat. Ima kareta, ipacoa leleki program disi, pueki apal kanay-nay, taguyawi yang kids werasaw, kategis maraw sa school. Pia pa school besa chungkan, kachungalay kids, apal perasan mau o makalakan. O saman sabes mau chocha masabel payaki. Tomo arkato. Nanggo kama pamitan bacuan dawit. Nabi kulkulja kat kunyan baco. Carol. Nimele Max the Banana Napata Kita Rex the Banana Master no one American. I thought a banana mapa. Chingalanka papa me back to a match. And I bet we are banana wow. One milk with my cookie and calapio camala. I make the pamasan in a pumping and watch. But that matter no one knowing can. Kalap the doctor and I thought of Pasarawi. What's that take the torch about why I put your mind? Ipano kamilalam anak kailangan macay mason utang ko sampay ang mga nasari ang may wat perang kiyokun wala tiba chaway sampay sapol macay mason mahal ko yatuwa ko na tariman ang socha pachuwa pinachungan pacho apala pacho sa ipaki kupon ang kacumalo lumpang iraw at kailangan labanap. Inakarita, imetaki, kepepeluno, kwainay chocho, awat kilalo kisarikan. Pagmamawya ucupan at kulmaw, bacawan kamenta, I love you. Nabacawan, parenting is the foundation of a child's future. Tanapanay nauya pasanan at tuwan mo. Ari, masama sa pamamail ka school pangkito. Iwasa, kisarikan, pagpagkito. Te, pacholalala, kalangan lapana. We love you, Mom and Dad, and we will not forget all the good things that you have done for us. We ask for forgiveness and seek for your blessing on us. At ngayon ko, sa mga kamay magsayin ko sin na sangitan dangi sa ang chuo-chuyo. Ipame ko ng sayang ko sin malulumbongi, dahil ang kamawala sa kairata sa pagmasayang school language. Kuya bangkit sirup ka at ang kakuwisan dakuwat kachuway mawat. E na ino kayong kasawat sayang ko sin ang nabata. Kupur kaway ta chochokan, wala na pali sa rin Bombay o kairatas pa school ng Bombay. Para sa bako program ng language, sa basa ito bakit karas ang niya sa pagmasayang katunwar. Ang niya sa pagmasayang katunwar, language kachula kalara level. Or pusangkat ko na chuwas sa karata, ako ay koching kukuray kich, rawas sa chumal kupereno, sang chuchuno, kawan na mong kich, machuwan ka, alangan na pala. To our staff and my fellow classmates, I cannot believe that the school year is already over. You have taught me so much this year. I too learned to be love, patience, and joy through all of your warm smiles and honest opinions. Thank you all my staff, my fellow classmates, for the love, hugs, smiles, and laughter you are shared with me this year. I have truly seen Jesus and all of you. And our memories will not be forgotten. For we have shared to the world in our school year class of 2017. I, Freda Bench Rosario, will truly miss each and every one of you. My fellow graduates, I have to say goodbye to you all. And I love you all so much. Patuloy kalawan may, kaya tichi karakan. Kailangan ng kumasyon. And I thank you all.